Kani kadika Pati CTV.
Unong mikmat ka nongpo constituency bolong ru President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Dr. Didi Lapang minta ka singi ka laitrik jemang ulong ka jingmi no chongba Cliffas BCM kanlong ka jingdu nong yu namar bawla day nong bot ubaya jan bha but ubaladan ka jingye day ka bajan menta de ki postnem khamtam ka jingshakri ka nongpo constituency but ka thain Ribhoi barok kawai hapakran chekilat pathai kubor ne ka singi ka tatang shisngi bo ba Cliffas ubalong MDC barem ka nongpo ka balong kum ka jing Pynshai lor ka jing kno ki blami na khasuntur jong te nong yelam ka Congress ubabatru kubu President ka nongpo Block Congress Committee NBCC ba Didi Lapang ulong ka Congress hanongpo kadang long kawai pat ki jing kno ka long ka banumla man pediang marbaro kamshong baka de bandan ka jingyele banera waj haba kiwe ki district ru ki don kam banyo pediang yaki kam Pynroi ulong ka Ribhoi kamde baka do nong bat ki kam Pynroi hende ka don ka jingyo nong bat ki weru ki kam Pynroi habai dei baru ba Cliffas nakaliang ba Didi Lapang ulong uai ka jingkit bok kit wiang yo ba Cliffas paladau haban yakun persya kamdan kanu ka jingkang namar ha ka politics wat sipararu haban yakun pat yele tamba ka rahi ka de ka jong pajma hakate ka singi lala bani i ba ki nong kershan ki bajukot ye yo ba Didi Lapang kumu mahe ki rangba ki long keme ki samla ki lawan tuj na nongpo constituency panai ka jing kershan shaka yeng sa jong u ka badan ha persya jong ka office jong ka Shillong Municipal Board Shillong.
Now the time has come. The time has come that Mr. CBSM has made up his mind to leave this party, to leave this position and start his own way. I feel that he might have been a very wise decision because, according to him, he might have seen a better, brighter future to build up his future career, in which he may not be able to grow in the Congress party, because the Congress party may not be any longer relevant to what Mr. CPCM thinks. And then, I also see that he may have a better and bright future building up the family and the society, and also he may be another important leader from somewhere over there. Now, from my part on this, I feel the loss because when the election is knocking at the door, I definitely need CBCM with me. But when he has gone away, I feel I've lost a very good worker, capable also. But when talking to the bright future of CBCM, I should not be selfish to say that I must get him with me. I will give all the blessings to him, that he'll grow and all. And I wish to see the day when we will, anytime we're friendly. The services rendered to me during my being a representative will not just go waste. I still remember him, even he's no longer with me, to say thank you to what he has done to me. And I wish he may remember me at the point of time. Now, other members also has gone with him. They have seen better members. In my way of serving people, my principle is I will not enjoy if my height will be taller by putting my feet on somebody's shoulder. My principle is stand all around me. I'll put my foot and my feet on the ground and stand like a rock, and I need support from all around so that I will fall. There may be a false thinking that if I want taller, I stampede someone and put my feet on, then I become taller. I hate to hear that because I will always tell that. Friends, you have been working with me, you are faithful with me, work with me. I will not put my foot over you, but I stand on my own way of struggling on the land. But I want to avoid any whirlwind, any storm. When you are around me, I stand.
Kani kadika Pati CTV.